Hey guys, welcome to Heman's kitchen. Today we're gonna make pumpkin rice. It's really easy to make and it's for those who don't want to spend most of the time in the kitchen. So first we're gonna need half of the pumpkin. We're gonna slice off all the skin and we're gonna cut it in cube. Next we're gonna need some dry shrimp. So you could chop it or you can blend it with a blender. So the next step is optional. You need some pork lard or pork fat. You're gonna fry it in the wok to render out all the extra fat. And once it turns golden brown, you can get all the pork lard out. You can leave some of the extra fat in the wok for later. Now we're gonna use some of the leftover fat to fry the dry shrimp. And next, add in the pumpkin and some soy sauce. And now we can add in the rice. So give it a good stir. You're gonna need to add some water. You're gonna need to add the water until it covers the pumpkin. So next you're gonna need some thick soy sauce for the color. So give it a good stir and add some salt to your taste. Now what we need to do is transfer all the rice and pumpkin into the pressure cooker. I prefer pressure cooker, but rice cooker will do fine. Now remember to pour all the sauce into the pressure cooker and set the pressure cooker to 20 minutes. Lastly, close the lid and that's all you need to do. So after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe and share. If you have any question, please comment below.